In front of me is VIVO V40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security. Then click on Screen Lock, tap on one of those login methods and create the best one for you. When you finished, to continue, hit Next. Repeat your login method to confirm it and choose OK. Then decide what you wish to do with lock screen notifications and hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!